Ever wondered what happens to that extra cash sitting in your GrabPay wallet after a delightful Grab food binge or a quick ride? You know, the balance that's just there, not quite enough for another order but too much to simply ignore. If you've ever wished you could easily get that money back into your bank account, then you're in the right place. We've all been there, accumulated digital wallet funds that feel a bit trapped, especially when you prefer having your money consolidated in your bank. But what if I told you there's a straightforward way to bridge that gap? GrabPay, while incredibly convenient for daily transactions within the Grab ecosystem, also offers a handy feature to transfer your digital cash directly to your traditional bank account. This isn't just about emptying your wallet, it's about financial flexibility, ensuring your money is exactly where you need it, when you need it. Whether you've received funds from friends, processed a refund, or simply have leftover credits, transferring it to your bank can save you the hassle of topping up for smaller purchases or leaving funds dormant. So, how exactly do you unlock these funds from your GrabPay wallet and deposit them into your bank? Let's walk through the steps. First things first, ensure your GrabPay wallet is verified. This is a crucial security measure and typically involves providing identity documents within the Grab app. If you haven't done this yet, you'll need to complete this step before you can initiate any bank transfers. Once verified, you'll also need to have set up your Grab PIN for secure transactions. Now, assuming your account is verified and secured with a PIN, open your Grab app and navigate to the Finance section. This is usually found prominently on the main screen. Within the Finance tab, you'll see various options, one of which will be Transfer or Transferable Balance. Tap on this. Here's where you specify your transfer destination. GrabPay typically offers options to transfer to another GrabPay wallet, a PayNow-linked bank account, if available in your region, like Singapore, or directly to a bank account. Select the bank account option. You'll then be prompted to enter the recipient's bank details. This usually includes the bank name, account number, and the account holder's name. Double-check these details meticulously. A single wrong digit can send your money to the wrong place, and reversing such a transaction can be a real headache. After inputting the bank details, you'll enter the amount you wish to transfer. Remember that GrabPay may have daily or transaction limits, and in some regions, a small fee might apply for bank transfers, though many internal GrabPay transfers and transfers to bank accounts within certain regions are free. Always confirm any potential fees and limits displayed on the screen before proceeding. Once you've confirmed the amount and reviewed all the details, you'll typically slide to complete the transaction or tap a Confirm button. You'll likely be asked to enter your Grab PIN to authorize the transfer, adding another layer of security. The processing time for these transfers can vary. Transfers between GrabPay wallets are usually instantaneous. For bank transfers, they are often completed within 30 seconds, but sometimes can take a few hours or even up to T+2 business days, depending on the banking system and any maintenance periods. You'll usually receive an in-app notification and an e-receipt once the transfer is successful. And that's it. Your GrabPay balance is now en route to your bank account, giving you full control over your funds. This simple process transforms your digital wallet from a closed-loop system into a flexible financial tool, allowing you to seamlessly manage your money across platforms. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.